gang, it's Chris Boylan from eCoustics and Big Picture, Big Sound, and we just got in the Focal Sib Evo Dolby Atmos speaker system, and the main box here is the Sib Evo 5.1.2 system, which comes with satellite speakers, up-firing Dolby Atmos drivers, and a powered subwoofer. It's going to be part of a larger review, which also includes an extra subwoofer, Focal stands, and 2 extra pairs of the satellite speakers for a full 7.2.4 surround sound system. But the first thing we're going to do, and we're going to do in the unboxing video here, if my cat lets me, hi Toby, is open the Sib Evo 5.1.2 system. So here we go. Cut open the box without cutting open the speakers. Ooh, it's got an inner box. Yeah, let's see what's in there. Oh, it's basically the whole thing. What I'm going to do is flip it over and open it up. Here we go. Oh boy, that's going to leave a mark. There we go. And of course it's upside down, so we'll rotate that. Nice, right? Very nice. Focal is a French manufacturer of speakers. Kind of unique in the business in that they make their own drivers. Most of the speaker companies out there, even some of the larger ones, buy their drivers from other manufacturers. But not Focal. They actually started in the business making their own drivers. And they've kept that up over time. So, do not eat. Not the way I should do it, but they look like they're okay. So these are the standard Sib Evo speakers, double wrapped for our protection. They basically provide in this case they're going to be providing the side surround channel duty, but it's a two-way speaker with a dome tweeter. And I think it's a poly mid-range woofer. They come with their own stands to set on a table, but I'm probably going to mount these ones on the wall, so I have wall mounts as well. And then we've got 2 of those. So here's the other one. Looks a lot like the first one. Again, this is the Sib Evo from Focal, French speaker company. User manual, very important. So this is the third of the Focal Sib Evo satellite speakers. And I'll show you a little trick on this one. Since this is going to be the center channel speaker in the 5.1.2 and the 7.2.4 surround sound system, you can actually rotate it sideways to be a center channel speaker. And when you do that, you can rotate the logo as well. So actually this way, that's the F from the Focal logo. So it rotates this way for upright, and this way for vertical. And you can also move the pad to be underneath it so that it doesn't scratch this beautiful gloss black finish. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. What more goodies did you send me, Focal? Very well packed, lots of foam. These are actually the wall mounts that can be used to mount them on the wall. I'll show you what one of those looks like. Here we go. technical. This mounts to the back, and then this mounts on the wall. And you can rotate the position of it. This ball can be loosened and adjusted so that you can have it facing the listening position. Even send you nice long screws with hollow wall anchors. The speakers are actually not very heavy, so you probably could put them in on the wall with hollow wall anchors, but always a better idea to put them in studs if you can. Particularly these ones, which are a little bit heavier. I'll show you the difference on these. So these are also part of the Sib Evo line. So they don't fall. And they look a lot like the Sib Evo, but a little bigger. And I'll show you why. Double wrapped. Okay, very nice, protecting everything. So this is a lot like this. In fact, they use the same drivers, same two-way drivers, a woofer and tweeter. But these guys have a larger cabinet volume, so they have a little bit deeper bass. And they also have an up-firing driver for Dolby Atmos. So yes, this system uses up-firing drivers to reflect height channel information off the ceiling, which if you have a regular ceiling, less than about 12 feet high, is a perfectly valid way of doing Dolby Atmos. And by regular, I mean it has to be reflective, not textured, not angled, not vaulted. And we have just the ceiling for it downstairs in the labs. Okay, so here's one of those. And these are actually called the Sib Evo 2.0, I think it is, Dolby Atmos. So Sib Evo Dolby Atmos means that it's got that up-firing Dolby Atmos driver for immersive surround sound. Here's the second one, same as the first. And the last little bit, I am not going to throw my back up. I'm going to flip this over and show you the pièce de résistance. It is a French company after all. You know, got to throw some French in there. Okay, so this is the final piece. And this is called the Cub Evo. This is the powered subwoofer that provides the low-end frequencies. And like I said earlier, I have two of these. So we're going to be doing a full 7.2.4 review with everything you've seen here so far, which is the 512 system, plus one extra subwoofer and an extra pair of side surround speakers and an extra pair of rear speakers. So we can do full 7.2.4, 4 height channels, 7 surround speakers, and 2 subwoofers. All right, here we go. Last piece. Okay. And let's see. Okay. On the bottom. It's coming. There we go. Ooh, ooh, pretty. Here's the Focal logo. It's kind of almost a carbon fiber type of finish. It's got, you can see the grain in it, and it's more of a flat black than a glossy. These are the connections. You can see it's got adjustable level, adjustable crossover, phase. You can adjust it 0 or 180. Power, of course. Input to the power plug. It does not have a speaker level input, it only has the line level inputs, which makes it compatible with pretty much any receiver or preamp processor that's got an LFE output. And to see it from the front, here we go. It's got a nice big port in the front. Hello. Ah! Oh no, just kidding. Yeah, no, it's empty. All right, well, that's it. It's the Focal Sib Evo 5.1.2 system, which again is going to be part of a larger review of the 7.2.4 Focal Sib Evo system coming within the next few weeks on eCoustics and Big Picture, Big Sound. Hope you enjoyed it. See you at the next one.